In the Middle Ages, kings built immense wealth by refining gold with skilled artisans and simple tools.
Every gold nugget was carefully sorted before the refining process began. Fire was the heart of medieval gold refining, turning ore into pure gold.
Skilled craftsmen manually refined gold using hammers and traditional techniques.
Workshops were simple yet crucial spaces where royal wealth was created.
Refined gold was stored safely in royal treasuries, a symbol of power.
Craftsmen relied on basic tools to achieve remarkable results. Pouring molten gold into molds was a delicate process, requiring precision. Knowledge was passed down from master to apprentice, keeping traditions alive. Gold refining shaped the economy and power of medieval kingdoms.
Gold was the lifeblood of medieval economies, facilitating trade and wealth.
Kings distributed gold to reward loyalty and maintain power. Each coin represented both wealth and authority in the kingdom.
Gold served as the standard for value in every transaction.
Even small communities relied on gold to facilitate local trade. Kings stored vast amounts of gold as a symbol of power and security.
Gold fueled the kingdom's administration through taxation.
Gold trade connected distant lands and strengthened economies. Gold shaped culture, art, and religion throughout medieval societies.
Miners extracted gold from deep within the earth, using only simple hand tools.
Ore had to be transported carefully to avoid losing precious gold. Simple water-based techniques helped separate gold from other minerals. Mining towns grew around gold sources, fueling local economies.
Experienced overseers coordinated labor to maximize gold extraction.
Crushing rocks by hand was an essential step to access gold veins.
Gold mining shaped landscapes and livelihoods in medieval times.
Transporting gold ore was dangerous, but vital for refining.
Long journeys required careful planning and protection.
Gold ore had to be protected from thieves and bandits. Harsh weather made transporting gold ore a true challenge.
Every sack of ore was precious and had to be handled carefully. Infrastructure played a key role in moving wealth across kingdoms.
Even the journey back was critical for sustaining mining operations.
Gold ore was manually crushed to separate valuable pieces from rock. Sorting ensured only the richest gold reached the refining process. Even tiny specks of gold were carefully collected by skilled hands.
Accurate measurements ensured fair valuation and process consistency.
Knowledge transfer was essential to maintain refining traditions. Ore was prepared meticulously to ensure efficient melting.
Transporting crushed ore carefully was vital for further processing.
Smelting transformed raw ore into molten gold using controlled heat. Fire was the most important tool in refining gold. Craftsmen monitored temperature carefully to avoid losing precious gold.
Skills were passed down to maintain the kingdom's gold supply.
Managing heat and smoke was crucial for successful smelting. Repeated heating and hammering refined gold to maximum purity.
Furnaces worked day and night to produce gold for the kingdom.
Large workshops allowed simultaneous refining to meet royal demands.
Craftsmen carefully removed every unwanted particle.
Knowledge of purification techniques was carefully passed down.
Early alchemy techniques improved gold quality without modern machines.
Visual inspection confirmed the gold met royal standards.
Skilled artisans removed mercury safely to obtain pure gold. Purity increased with careful separation of mercury and gold. Temperature control was vital to avoid loss of gold. Finished products were carefully organized for treasury or minting. Masters trained the next generation to continue refining traditions. Careful handling preserved the gold's quality and value.
Mints were organized to produce gold efficiently for the kingdom. Mints were organized to produce gold efficiently for the kingdom. Quality control ensured coins were acceptable for trade.
Coins were stored securely to maintain the kingdom's wealth.
Coins facilitated trade across the kingdom and beyond.
Minting was the final step that transformed raw gold into wealth.
Keeping detailed records prevented loss and corruption. Multiple measures ensured gold remained under royal control.
Curiosity and study ensured the transfer of knowledge. Gold enabled commerce along far-reaching trade routes.
Accurate valuation was crucial for fair exchanges.
Gold was transformed into crowns, symbolizing royal authority. Skilled hands turned gold into luxurious, symbolic artifacts.
Artisans' work made gold a symbol of prestige and power.
Some techniques remained closely guarded secrets of the guild.